Hello from the Bureau with an update on wet and windy weather on the way for southern and eastern Australia later this week. We've got our eye on this cold front. It's way down in the Southern Ocean connected to a low near Antarctica. The front's going to move up towards Australia over the next 24 hours or so and reach South Australia first with a gusty change that will bring showers and potential for thunderstorms on Wednesday afternoon. That will follow a hot day. Ahead of the change, we'll also likely see some unsettled weather across parts of northeast New South Wales and southern inland Queensland with the risk of storms on Wednesday afternoon. But Thursday will be the main day to watch this week over the southeast mainland as a deep low pressure system forms over Victoria or southern New South Wales. What will help drive this weather system will be the big temperature difference across either sides of these cold and warm fronts that develop. It's hot and humid to the east, drawing on lots of tropical moisture associated with ex-cyclone Owen in the Gulf of Carpentaria. But further to the west, we'll look at maximum temperatures of between 6 and 14 degrees below average in that cold air on Thursday and Friday for some areas of South Australia, western New South Wales and northwest Victoria. As the low intensifies during Thursday, we'll see showers and thunderstorms increase and then tend towards areas of rain for parts of the east and southern mainland, and we'll see some rain develop across Tasmania as well. With deep low pressure systems like this, there are always intricate details difficult to forecast, particularly in terms of exact movement and location of low pressure centres that make forecasting exact rainfall totals even more difficult. That's even more so the case when we're expecting much of the rain to come from thunderstorms, which are always hit and miss in nature. But what we can say is that with so much tropical moisture in the air across eastern and southern Australia, many places may pick up more than their December average rainfall in just a day. For instance, through New South Wales, it's not out of the question that some thunderstorms could deliver 70 millimetres or more within the space of just an hour. Severe thunderstorms may lead to flash flooding, and there will also be the risk of damaging wind gusts and even large hail from some storms. As the low centre deepens and the isobars tighten, we'll see the winds pick up on Thursday too, reaching gale force for southern coastal waters in South Australia and western waters of Victoria later and into Friday as well. It'll be gusty over land areas behind the front also, and we could see some dust again over western New South Wales, but we're not expecting it to track towards the coast at this stage. Thunderstorms will move further east into northeast New South Wales and eastern Queensland on Friday, with rain likely to contract to southern Victoria, parts of southeast South Australia and Bass Strait. With much of the details still becoming clear, keep an eye out for warnings on the Bureau website as they're issued over the next couple of days, and please follow all advice from emergency services.